This is painful death. It pains you to your marrow.
Yes, sir.
You don't know what to do. What is happening from one tears to another tears?
One tears to another tears.
To another tears. In the realm of the spirit, your spirit is telling me, man of God, pray for my family. The spirit of death is too much. Who is Friday?
It's my immediate senior brother.
Your immediate
senior brother.
Because in the realm of the spirit, I don't know. I'm seeing a rope. You know rope?
Hang himself.
A rope.
Yes, sir.
I'm seeing a rope. I'm seeing somebody on a rope.
Yes, sir. He hung himself.
First time in 2015, yeah. Friday hung himself to death.
Yes, sir.
Friday hung himself to death.
Yes, sir.
In 2015. Then in 2016 again, May, this one happened. We need to pray again, yes, because 2017, another one is coming. Jesus Christ. In the realm of the spirit, when I enter this room, I see, I do. Just wake up. Somebody went somewhere and poured drink and said, this is what the father used to worship. How come he has abandoned what the father used to worship? This man just rise like this. Then as I look at it in the realm of the spirit, I see somebody that was working in oil company. Who was working in oil company?
My immediate senior brother.
Your immediate senior brother, Mr. Friday, was working in oil company. Friday was working in oil company. How can a man that's working in oil company just hang himself? When I look at it in the realm of the spirit, I see that this is the idol of the father house. Entered in. The man said he cannot take it again. That was how Friday hung himself. In the realm of the spirit, can I say what I'm seeing?
Yes, sir.
In the realm of the spirit, as I look, I'm seeing a note.
A note.
This man wrote notes. You know notes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing a piece of paper.
Yes, sir.
He wrote it down before he hung himself.
Yes, sir.
The same idol was the same idol when your wife was going to church, because you were the target that day. God saved you. There was a dream you had. Do you notice throughout that day you were weak?
Yes, sir.
The day your wife died, you were weak. You were the one that's supposed to be killed, but you were weak. You were inside.
Yes, sir.
As your wife was going, the idol now entered your wife. That was how your wife was killed. She left house healthy and strong, going to church.
Yes, sir.
The idol finished her on the road. Now, as I'm talking to you now, the next target again is your daughter Naomi. The same idol has entered Naomi. Immediately they finish with Naomi. Look at what they want to do. They want to finish one after the other. They want to do what? Finish them one after the other. How can your wife left house healthy? I'm going to church. Greet you just for you to receive a phone call. Rush to the hospital. On getting to the hospital, your wife is dead. Right as I'm talking to you now as I'm talking to you, you don't understand your life again.
Yes, sir.
Series of attack in your dream.
Yes, sir.
Attack upon attack.
Yes, sir.
Most of the night you don't sleep. Most of the night I'm seeing you. This is serious headache.
Yes, sir.
You don't know what to do again.
Yes, sir.
You have tried all you can, but nothing's working. But today, if I be a man of God, which you are, now, you see now, everything about him now is under attack. The Lord will deliver you. Amen. And the Lord will deliver your children.
Amen.
And then the death will be cancelled.
Amen.